Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from HoMedics. Check them out. Link will be down below where you get one of these ParaSpa Plus Paraffin bath. It comes with 3 pounds of candles or wax. And then the baggies. These bags, and it takes about usually 20 minutes for it to warm up, so you might want to drop the wax first, then let it warm up and let it sit maybe for like an hour or so I can get it fully melted. It all depends on how much you use. I think I went a little extreme and I used half a pound, so we're gonna take a look inside. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And like I said, this might be a little messy, so be careful. And the water is going to be really hot, so definitely be careful before you dip your hand in it. So there's that. We already showed the box. 100% pure paraffin. So, and if you like this item, all you got to do is click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, check out, and they can ship this off to you really fast. So that's what it looks like already. You can see the gel or the wax already forming. Yeah, it's hot, so definitely be careful. And when you're dipping your hand, you can also use your feet. If you got smaller feet, be good for your feet also. And it's warm, so like I said, just be careful before you dip your hand in it. It's gonna be warm, so I did like a lukewarm water when I filled it up. They got a max line somewhere. I think it's on that side. There's a max and mini line to fill. So this is a good spot. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, be careful. See, it's already waxy. So when you dip it in, you can do it as many times as you want. Hot, 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 hot. Holy moly. That's hot, guys. Oh, God. It's so hot. Oh, man. This is like torture. Oh. He's already... Oh, man. Good Lordy, that will definitely wake you up. So, like I said, be careful using it. Jeez, oh, Pete. It's like 120 degrees. Oh, man. Oh, it's hot. Maybe you can see it right there. Oh, man. Just dip it in for a few, but not totally soak it. Unless you can handle the heat, but I'm just going to dip it on my fingers. It's like a mini pedicure type. Dang, that's hot. Ooh-wee. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. There we go. The tripod. And there's gloves. Or the bag. You can just wrap it so it could cool down. Boy, that is hot though. It woke me up, that's for sure, guys. I mean, it is extremely, extremely hot. But, wow. But definitely try to keep it cool, and just remember, it is really, really warm. But I mean, that's the way to wax, to melt the wax. So I mean, gotta make some sacrifices, I guess. But just be careful dipping it in. Got a bag a little bit. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. But I mean, you can dip your hand as far as you want to. But like I said, extreme hot. So parents, if you want your teenagers to use it, make sure they know that definitely the water is extremely hot, and be careful using it. So I mean, dang, that's crazy. It's like when wax drips from the candle, like the old days. Oh yeah. It's not that messy, but it all depends on how much you use on your hand. That's crazy. It might shut off maybe if it's like done, but it's been on for, I would say, an hour now. I had to do a few retakes on this, but HoMedics, check them out. Link will be down below. But yeah, definitely use caution, because it is hot. But that's why you might want to dip your fingers. I don't know about the whole hand, because like I said, I can barely handle the heat. Oh. Yeah, dang. Oh, mercy. God. Good God, Molly. That is warm. You can see how red my hand gets. So, I mean, you might burn yourself if you leave it in there for a few seconds. Because, yeah, you can see already how red. You gotta do a quick dip. And when it cools down, see, it's already cooling down. But make sure you got an area where you don't mind getting a little dirty, or just clean up really fast, because it still drips. Oh yeah, my thumb's getting clean. It's getting purified. Paraffin. Alright. Oh, I can't move. Oh yeah. Kind of feels like a glove. Like one of those football gloves. See, it's already breaking a little bit. Let it cool down. Yeah, you can stick your feet in it, but like I said too, just be careful too using your feet, because that is extremely hot. But really cool, guys. And it still hasn't fully melted. Just a few pieces are already starting to melt. But just gotta give it a few minutes or so. Maybe like 20 minutes. Put the lid on it. Then it'll still get to this point right out of the box. So, but if you want a full melt, I would say maybe an hour. And then it should fully melt all this later on tonight. Hopefully it'll be all fully melted. And you can reuse it too. You could take the clumps and clump it together, throw it back in. So, I mean, but I wouldn't recommend doing a lot of it. Just toss it maybe after a couple times using it. Because you get 3 pounds. That's a pretty good amount that they give you to start off. And they got a lot of these paraffins on Amazon also too. So, well, yeah, this is my first time ever doing one of these. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Hand feels a little bit different. It's supposed to be like more silky smooth for your hands. So, cause I get pretty dry hands. And I tried a lot of lotions and stuff. I don't know. So hopefully this helps. But feels pretty good though. For the price, can't beat it. And like I said, guys, all you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, check out, and I'll ship this out to you really fast. So, but yep, There it is. I am waxed. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And see you guys soon.